Hello everyone, my name is Chen Yao Kang. Today I'm talking about my research is Fantasy National Basketball Association team promotion optimization using hypergenetic algorithm. And before I go into the detail, here is an outline of today's presentation. First, I will talking about the research background. As sports become more and more popular in the modern society, fantasy sports are also become a higher favorite for people participate. And this platform gives a user a chance to get more involved in sports beyond just watching game. And one typical example is a fantasy NBA league. And what is fantasy NBA? Fantasy NBA is in the game, and player take on the role of the game manager and responsible for drafting the NBA player for their fantasy team and the real-life performance of these NBA players such as the point, rebound, assists, and the other stats recorded in the real game, and will affect the player's score, win or loss, and rank and position in the game. And it's like a concept where it's the virtual game and interact with the real world events, and this lets fans can get more deeply involved in the sport and improve their team. And as fantasy sports become more and more popular, and players need a better way to improve their team performance, especially in the scoring and manage injury risk. And the use of the hypergenetic algorithm can help us handle a lot of large amounts of the data effectively and optimize the selection process. And the goal of this research is to provide optimization team for more promotion. Let's maximize a team scores while manage injury risk and improve the overall experience for the players. And you can see this picture show the player line up in the fantasy sport. And this picture in the right way is about the scoring methods of the player data. Well, Fantasy NBA is a strategic game, and most users still rely on the subjective experience or recently headline when selecting players. And however, this can lead to unstable lineup, especially when face issue like a player injury position and construct and inconsistent performance. And our research addressed two key challenges. And the first, how to maximize the team scores using the both past and the real data. And the second, how to reduce the risk of the selecting injury players. And the traditional methods strategies we list because the deep too much on get field and can't process large noisy data effectively. And that's why we propose a hypergenetic algorithm approach to solve these problems. Here is the related work and the problem in the previous research, and focus mainly on the statistical analysis or the short-term score prediction, and didn't interact season-long stability and player availability rate or performance availability. And the traditional model like the random forest or the deterministic optimization lack the exploration ability and prompt to the early convergence. And our contribution to improvement, and we propose the hyper evolutionary algorithm is the normal GA and plus the local search and the chaos annihilation, and extend the exploration solution refinement and the season long team stability, and incorporate injury at Estons range in the evolution and offer the two selection strategies. And the stability we base on the injury adjust scores and the explosiveness based on the original scores. And here is the for the data collection, and I use the two-man source and the first basketball reference, and this site give a few season stats for each player like a point, assist, and rebound, block, steal, and turnover. And the second, I look at the fantasy NBA platform, and this help understand the score rules using the fantasy NBA game. And I use the rule to build my fitness function in the algorithm. And here is the normal genetic algorithm process, and we first generate the multiple candidate team to serve as the initial population, and each team is made up of the 10 player selection according to the fantasy sport roster position such as the PG, SG, and the G, and the SF, and the PF, and the F, and C. And to ensure the quality, we first the player list by selection top 30 players in each position based on their stats like point, assist, and rebound. And then for each list, we randomly choose the one player position, making sure there are no duplicates within the team. And the method combine the randomness with the quality. It helps us generate the diversity and the balanced initialized population, which is important for the last stretch of the algorithm. And on the right slide, you can see the full flow chart of the hypergenetic algorithm. Start from the initialized population and proceeds to calculate fitness and perform the selection, crossover, and motivation. And finally, the local search step refine the solution if the termination condition is met, and the loop will continue. In our study, we use the chaotic to initialize the first generation of the candidate fantasy NBA team, and the idea to replace the standard random initialization with the chaotic value for the logistic map. And we offer the higher diversity and the least risk to early conversions. And this chaotic value help us decide which player to pick from position space for pool, and ensuring the lineup validate white exploration and the chaotic value are generated using the logistic map formula shown here. And the behavior of the depend on the parameter R, and when R is low, the value quickly stabilize, and when R is high, for example, here we set the 3.99, and when we set the 3.99 to R, and maximize the chaos and ensure high diversity in our initial population. So by use the chaotic value to guide player selection during the initialization, we ensure both randomness or the diversity, and which lay a strong foundation for the following genetic algorithm evolution process. In addition to the regular fantasy stats like a point, exit, and rebound, and our system also consider the bonus milestone like a double-double and a triple-double. And however, the dataset doesn't include a double-double and a triple-double, so we use the probability-based estimation based on the normal distribution. And the idea is simple. We calculate the probability the player can reach at least 10 in the stats like point, rebound, and assist during the game. And if the probability of getting at least 10 in the two status is high, and the player likely to earn the double-double bonus, and if the three status the suggestion a chance of the triple-double. And the way we did rally on the fixed milestone count instead the use stat to modeling to reward the player who consistently to close the hitting the marks. This is the fitness function used in the algorithm. It starts with each player total fantasy points, and then we add the extra bonus 2.5 points for the chance of the double and the triple double. We will plus the 5 points for the chance, and this help reward player with the more all-around performance, and then we adjust the score by the multiplying it with the game player radio, and which is the number of the game the player actually played divided by the total team game, and this help penalize players who are often injured or didn't play much. And here is step 3 to step 6. And first, step 3 selection, and choose the top performers team based on the fitness score. And example, if a team with the highest scoring and the low injury risk and are selected. And next is crossover, and we will combine the two parent team to create a new one. And next is motivation, randomly to replace a player to increase the diversity. And the final is the local search, and improve a weak spot by replacing the lowest performing players. The slide show a test check my algorithm, and I pick the best team for the last season, and then I let my algorithm make a team, and I use the confusion matrix to compare them. And you can see the picture TP is 10. My algorithm pick the all 10 correct player, and FP is the 0. It didn't choose the wrong players, and the FN is 0 too. It didn't miss any good players. So this means algorithm is very correct and work well with the past data. Let's take a look at the results from the last season dataset. And first, on the left side, we can see the convergence curve comparing the normal GA and the chaos GA. And you can see the chaos GA red line, and the blue line is normal GA. And the red line convergence is faster, and it's reached a high fitness value with the 10th generation. And with the normal GA, take almost 30 generation, and this show that chaotic initialization help the algorithm find a good team more quickly. And now on the right side, we can show the injury adjustment affect player score, and the black bar are the scores without the injury, and purple bar is the adjust score, and the orange bar is the represent the game player ratio. And for the player like Anthony Davis or LeBron James, we can see the clear drop in the purple bar. This is because they miss many games, and in contrast, a player like Nikola Jokic or Sabonis, we can see who play more games and keep a higher score. So overall, the Chaos GA improves speed, and the injury score adjustment help avoid risk players. This is the result from the current season's midpoint, and the Chaos GA again converges faster and with least fluctuations show the more stable behavior than the normal GA. And the injury adjustment still work well. We can see the player with the better availability retain more score value, and this help reduce the risk of the high-risk player in the lineup optimization. By the end of the season, the performance gap between the two methods becomes smaller. Both Chaos GA and the normal GA reach similar final fitness, but the normal GA take a few generations. And however, if we look the runtime, and Chaos GA still complex, the slightly faster overall. This suggestion that chaotic initialization is especially useful in the early and mid-season, and whose volatility is higher. And the table at the bottom summarizes convergence time and the generation count. Chaos GA show clear improvements in the first two stages. And the conclusion, this study show that my chaos based on the genetic algorithm or hybrid GA and work better than the normal GA, and it finds stronger team faster, and especially when the data is unstable like early or mid-season. Also, I add the injury score rule, and the rule gives the lower score to the player who missed many games. So the algorithm avoids choosing the risk player and build a more stable team. And as a result, the world model is more useful in the real-world fantasy NBA situation. And here are the main contribution of this work is solve the lineup selection problem in the fantasy NBA using the genetic algorithm, and it's use injury data to adjust a score just like a real fantasy player do, and it avoid the injury player and prefer a strong and reliable one. And the final is prove that the method is practical and strong under different season conditions. And thanks for your listening.